The team at Hennessey Performance Engineering has outdone themselves once again with their latest extreme truck creation, the 2024 VelociRaptor 6x6 based on the Ford F-150 Raptor R. Powered by the Raptor R's factory, supercharged 5.2-liter V8, churning out 700 horsepower, the VelociRaptor 6x6 transforms Ford's off-road beast into an ultra-capable desert dominator. The most obvious change is the addition of a third axle at the rear, converting the Raptor into a mighty six-wheel drive monster. This greatly improves traction and gives the truck an impressive rugged stance. Hennessey also equips the VelociRaptor 6x6 with custom bumpers, 20-inch Hennessey wheels wrapped in 37-inch off-road tires, LED lights, and special VelociRaptor badging. To accommodate the extra axle, Hennessey stretches the Raptor R's frame and increases the track width. They also add upgraded off-road suspension, custom fender flares, and dual rear-locking differentials for enhanced capability over tough terrain. The truck's utility is improved with an 8-foot bed in place of the standard 5.5-footer. Visually, the VelociRaptor 6x6 makes an imposing statement. The white and black color scheme of the demo truck highlights the truck's Docker-like proportions. The 37-inch tires and 3-inch lift give it a towering stance. While some may have hoped for more power, the 700 supercharged ponies under the hood are more than enough for swift off-road cruising. Purists will also appreciate that Hennessey keeps the Raptor's engine in factory form. CEO John Hennessey boasts that the 6x6 conversion takes the Raptor R to another level. With vastly improved traction, cargo capacity, and phenomenal curb appeal, the VelociRaptor 6x6 is ready to conquer the most rugged terrain or simply stun the streets. Starting at $295,000, this six-wheeled beast is in a league of its own compared to the likes of GMC's Hummer EV and Ram's TRX. For those seeking the ultimate expression of off-road performance and style, the new VelociRaptor 6x6 is an audacious addition to the Hennessey portfolio. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.